Hi, I'm Maria Cabanes from Zurich MedTech. In this video, I will introduce the EASY4 systems for making measurements in MRI environments. I will also explain the basics of its user interface. EASY4 and EASY4MRI are standalone exposure acquisition systems for high-precision electromagnetic field evaluation. The EASY4 systems can be used with the isotropic probes, an EASY field probe, an E-field probe, a SAR probe, and a temperature probe from SPEAC. SPEAC produces two models of the data acquisition electronic systems, the EASY and the EASY4MRI. The first is suitable for measuring normal electromagnetic compatibility environments, whereas the EASY4MRI has been explicitly developed for use in challenging MRI environments. All magnetic components have been removed and the mounting tube protects coupling to the probe connector. The EASY4MRI is connected to the EASY4 directly via a fiber optics link that can be up to 20 meters long, and the optical link can be further extended via the electro-optic converter. Measurements are displayed on the built-in LCD color display. The settings can be changed with the trackpad on the front panel or with a keyboard or mouse. The system, for example, can be used to monitor the incident magnetic field when assessing the power deposition along a lead with the EASY52neo inside a vertically oriented MIT system. Now, the measurement configuration and the interface will be presented. The interface is easy to use. It is divided into several panes. The browser displays the document's contents as setups and tasks. The status pane displays information about the data acquisition electronics. The presentation pane displays measurement results in numerical and/or graphical form. The message pane displays messages related to the ongoing measurement process. And the measurement control pane includes the control commands start, pause, and stop. The interface includes quick option menus as well, for creating a new EASY4 document, for opening an existing EASY4 document, and for saving the contents of the current document. All of these file options are saved automatically as EAEs files. The EASY4 has the capacity for 4 setup channels. For each setup, the following components should be defined: DAE, probe, medium. The commands for defining the setup components for each channel are accessed by right-clicking with the trackpad or mouse. Properties opens a dialog that allows the user to manually enter the component properties. Import imports component definitions from a configuration file. Export exports component definitions into a configuration file, and remove removes a previously imported component. Before a measurement on a setup channel can be started, all components for this setup must be defined. The configuration of EASY4MRI for edge field monitoring inside the MIT system will be demonstrated. The configuration files are stored in the following locations. For the DAE component, right-click DAE, then Import. Click Storage Card, click Configuration, DAE, and select the file with the name of your DAE. Then choose the probe by right-clicking Probe, then Import. Click Storage Card, Configuration, Probe, and choose the H probe. For the medium, right-click Medium, then Import, Storage Card, Configuration, Medium, and choose Air. For each element, validate the calibration date and compare the current calibration with the calibration certificate document. Right-click DAE, open Properties, and General to access the calibration information. To verify that the probe has the correct modulation, right-click Probe, then Properties and Modulation, click on Modulation file, in this case MIT's 2Pi sync, for the MIT generated signal inside the birdcage. The task part of the browser displays the measurement procedures and jobs. A task is composed of one or more procedures, and procedures are composed of one or more measurement jobs or sub-procedures. As many jobs and sub-procedures as necessary can be added to a task. New procedures are named automatically as they are created. The name can be changed by right-clicking it and selecting Edit. It is good practice to choose a name that describes the procedure and includes the date. New jobs are also named automatically, and the name can be changed by right-clicking and selecting Edit. In the Edit menu, the jobs should be assigned to one of the setups defined earlier. Enable the Active property to activate the setup of choice and perform a measurement. Enable Save to save the data from the measurement. By enabling automatic naming, a file name with a timestamp is automatically generated for each saved measurement. Click Modify to change the measurement parameters: averaging time, period, communication system, DAE zeroing. The components of the EASE field to be evaluated are also selected here, as well as the format for viewing the measurements data, whether as numerical values or plot graphically. Before making measurements with EASY4MRI, the 4 fields of the status pane should be inspected. All 4 should be green during the measurement. A green IO field signals that the driver software for that setup is loaded and running properly. A green battery field indicates that the DAE battery is installed and charged. A green DAE field indicates that the EASY4MRI is connected and switched on. In addition, an O is shown when the EASY4MRI is communicating via the fiber optic line. A green measurement field confirms that the setup is acquiring data. Press the Start button to start a measurement. Data is stored continuously. The measurement, whether a simple job or a procedure with more than one job, can be paused or stopped. When a job or procedure is paused and restarted, the new data is appended to the original file. When a job or procedure is stopped and restarted, the new data is saved in a new file. The message pane displays the name of the file that is being saved. EASY4 is optimized for high-precision field measurements, and EASY4MRI is compatible for measurements in MRI environments. The entire range of diode detector near-field probes from SPEAC can be used in EASY4 systems. This includes electric field probes, magnetic field probes, sharp probes, and temperature probes. Up to 4 probes can be used simultaneously with EASY4 systems. If you have any questions or you need support, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@zurichmedtech.com.